In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Edge. This simple trick will be incredibly useful if you use Edge frequently and want a quicker way to access it without sifting through the Start menu. In just a few easy steps, you'll have a shortcut that launches Edge with a simple double click. Let's jump right in. To begin, you need to locate the Start button on your screen. This is typically found at the lower left corner, adorned with the Windows logo. Clicking it opens the Start menu, a comprehensive hub for all the applications and features available on your computer. To find Microsoft Edge, you have two approaches you can take. First, you can select the All Apps option at the bottom of the Start menu. This will give you a complete list of every installed program, making it easy to locate exactly what you want. Alternatively, you can simply scroll through the alphabetical list right there, browsing through the programs until you spot Microsoft Edge. Once Microsoft Edge is visible on this list, go ahead and left-click on its icon. Hold down the mouse button. It's important not to release it just yet. With the button still pressed, you'll need to gently drag the Edge icon from the Start menu over to your desktop. As you do this, look for a faint outline on the screen which details where the icon will be positioned once you release the mouse. Find the spot on your desktop where you'd like the shortcut to appear, and then let go of the mouse button. And just like that, you've created a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Edge. The new icon will sit on your desktop alongside your other files or shortcuts ready for action. Whenever the urge to browse the web strikes, all you need to do is double-click this icon and Edge will spring to life instantly. This minor adjustment can be a real time saver and enhance how efficiently you use your PC. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. For more insightful tips and tech tutorials, feel free to explore our channel. We always appreciate your support, and we're here to make your tech journey smoother. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of browsing with your brand new Edge shortcut.